Several Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC bus drivers are being investigated in relation to a ticket scam. The major organized crime and anti-corruption agency MOCA is reportedly investigating. Jamaica Maitland has the details.
Bus drivers at the Jamaica Urban Transit Company JUTC says workers are running scared after being threatened with fraud charges.
We weren't given the opportunity to know what is happening or why we are being pulled or why we are get charged for. None of that has been told to us. So we just ride in at the while with police are called on the phone and tell us we need to come in, to come take embezzlement charge, criminal charge, and all of these charges.
The drivers who spoke on the condition of anonymity say it stems from an alleged ticketing scam ring.
They would have written a report on us that they found how much persons without ticket then they pulled us from the duty. When they pull us from the duty now, it might take a 3-4 months depending, and then you have an hearing. When they have the hearing now, them decide if you're wrong, you're right, or whatever, and then they take it from there.
According to a police source, the drivers would usually collect fares from passengers without issuing tickets. They would then go on to pocket the cash instead. Several drivers have been arrested and charged with embezzlement and fraud in the past for similar scams. The drivers who TVJ News spoke with didn't deny that there was any wrongdoing, but contend that the process is being shortcut.
This is an internal case. So we will either get pulled or some discipline action will be taken. It's either they give you a hearing. If they find you guilty, it's either you get a written warning, a verbal warning, till it leads to dismissal if it continues.
Additionally, they allege that there are issues with the ticketing system being used by the drivers.
It's a new system that has a lot of faults. At times, you have to shut down the entire system, the bus included, to let the machine boot up back. And even when you do so, it's still not coming up. You have machines where you punch the ticket and it's not releasing the tickets. But it's a register. Now release the ticket. And if ticket inspector come on your bus, they're going to write you up, say, ticket infraction.
TVJ News reached out to acting managing director of the JUTC, Owen Ellington, but we did not receive a response of the news time. Transport Minister Darrell Vaz declined to comment at this time. However, he acknowledged that an investigation is ongoing. TVJ News understands that at least 8 drivers are being investigated. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.